Hey there family, welcome back to my channel. And today, as you might have seen, my pre-order for Melanin Hair Care is on the way. I'm so excited. So in honor of me having my Melanin Hair Care products very soon and filming a video, might I add, I just wanted to do a video today that's all around Whitney White, you know, Naptural85, you know, her iconic hairstyles that we will be able to achieve with her products. Yes, I will be perfection, finally. Huh? I will have the perfect twist out, finally. All my debts will be paid. I can't. Anyway, so I'm so super excited about receiving her products. So to keep me busy while I'm waiting for them at the door, to keep me busy in the meantime, I decided to follow another tutorial by Naptural85. If you missed it, I did one earlier. Boom, it's in the iCard. I don't know if it went well, but today I'm gonna follow her iconic, perfect, stretched twist out. I want to see how easy it's gonna be to do it on my hair. Will it be as shiny, as silky, as stretched as her hair came out? And then I'm gonna try it again when the Melanin hair products arrive. So that's what we're doing today. Let's get into it. If you're new to my channel, you better smash that subscribe button if you want to become part of the family, which is Surinamese for family, and that's what we call our squad over here. If you're loyal, like DJ Khaled loyal, you will also smash that notification button, cause it'll increase the chances of you seeing my videos when I upload. That's all I gotta say today. Also, follow me on Instagram. I won't say that in the end, but follow me on Instagram and let's get into this video. Okay, so I've washed my hair. It's clean with a leave-in in it. Y'all know I like to let my leave-in marinate a bit with a plastic cap. The leave-in that I used, boom, Suave Natural Conditioner, Suave Essential Conditioner, don't butcher the name, in Tropical Coconut. I use this as my leave-in. I'm gonna try to use the products, I'm gonna try to use similar products as the one that she used in the tutorial. She used her DIYs. So instead of her DIY shea butter mixture, where I will be using Melanin hair products, yes, next time, I'm using the Main Choice. Doesn't get much butter than this. I love this butter. And for the flaxseed gel that she made for the video, I'm using the Mielle Organics Honey and Ginger Styling Gel, just because I did not feel like making anything. Okay, so I feel like I'm starting at the same point where she did. Hair is washed, detangled, and in sections. I'm gonna start with one section. Ooh, water's running down my neck. Okay, so I'm gonna start in one section. The hair is already detangled, but knowing my hair, I'm gonna have to detangle again. And then we're gonna lightly, and then we're just gonna apply curl formers in medium sections. And she says this is gonna be a fast process. Let's hope it is. Let me look at the time before I begin, and then I'll let you know at what time I finish. It is exactly 3 minutes to, I'm trying to do the YouTuber pose. Yes, it is exactly 3 minutes or 2 minutes to 2 o'clock, and then we'll see at what time I'm finished with this. So I'm just combing everything out just because I know my hair. Nice. I didn't put the shea butter. Let's do this again. You know what? I feel like I know this tutorial so well that I'm not watching it. Let me watch it while I do it, because obviously I need the help. Okay, let's try this again. She used her shea butter. I'm gonna use the Main Choice. It doesn't get much butter than this. If you don't know, get to know. This butter is bomb. It is bomb. You do kind of have to work it in so it melts. And then like she did, I'm gonna apply this from my ends up to my roots. Yes. A little bit more. And because it's winter, it's super hard. But when you rub it between your hands, it melts. So I really like this butter. It's a good sealing butter. It is now 2:01. I'm gonna let you know when I'm finished with these curl formers. Let's go. So I'm done with 1/4 of my hair. It took 19 to 20 minutes. But hey, yeah. I'll be back when I'm done. It took a little bit more time than I thought it would. I thought it would take like an hour, but it is now. And can you see it? You cannot see it. Okay, it took like an hour and a half, hour and 3/4 of an hour. That's because I'm slow, okay? What I'm gonna do now is what she did. I'm gonna sit under the dryer until my hair is dry. I think I'm gonna do it for an hour. And then, you know, do I look like natural yet? Anyway, I'll be back. Okay, we are back. I sat under the dryer for an hour, just like she did. Let's hope that everything is dry. I'm gonna take out these curl formers, just like she did. Ooh. This one is still wet though. Ooh. No. Why? I'm thinking about that meme. You know your twist wasn't ready when you took it out. I should have known. Ah. Okay. Maybe it's not. Okay. Okay. There are more wet pieces. The pieces that are still wet, I'm gonna try to keep them stretched. We can still save this, I hope. The pieces that are damp, I'm gonna try to pin them to my head so they don't poof up too much. My hair isn't dry. Shoot. Ah, this is not cool. This is not cool at all. If you're watching this, can you like pause the video, take some time to tell me to not give up? It doesn't make sense, but by the time you see this video, if you see it, it would mean I didn't give up. But I'm gonna split my hair into 3 sections, just like she did. So this is one. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do the same to the other side, and I'm probably gonna be late to my appointment. Sorry, Kiwi. But I need to fix this. I'll be right back. Okay. This side only has one that's not fully dry, so let's just see what happens. This will be the good side. This will be the struggle side. And then, oh, wait a second. I forgot this one. Please be dry. Are you dry? It's dry as well. I don't know what happened to this side. We're gonna call it the struggle side. And I'm gonna do this one first, and then I might go to my appointment and then just do this one later. But let me put it into 3 sections as well. Okay, so let's start with the struggle side, and we're gonna do exactly what she did, which is comb it out one by one. Denman brush, modified. Gonna comb out the curl. It's really easy to do because it's detangled. You see, now it looks like the other hair. I assume we're gonna be alright. Let's just, yeah, we're gonna be alright. We're gonna be alright. We gonna be alright. Hey, listen. I don't think you come to my videos for calm, serious Minerva, okay? The gel that I'm using is the Mielle Organics Honey and Ginger Styling Gel. I'm gonna do, because she uses flaxseed, she uses a bit, I'ma do 1 pump. Going over the dry section, boom. And then a little bit over the struggling section, boom. Boom, got the cream. Ooh, it's nice and pliable now. Okay, gonna seal in some of that gel. And we're gonna flat twist the hair. So, what she does, she twists the hair. And before she twists again, she takes one piece and then twist. One piece and then twist. One piece and then you twist. Boom. Boom. And then one last one. Boom. As you can see, this entire section is puffy. So I'm gonna add a little bit more gel with one hand. How am I gonna do that? And then I'm gonna add that. And then let's go. I feel like this should be good. Twist it up. So as you guys can see, the twist came out pretty good. I'm gonna make a bantu knot just like she did. And then we just gonna wait. Okay. Hi, my camera died and I had to go to my friend, so it is the next day. As you can see, as you might be able to see, I pinned my hair just like she did. I took them out of the bantu knots and I pinned them to my head. I wrapped my head when I went outside. I slept with this situation, and now I'm gonna take it out. I hope my hair is dry. And let's see, I think the struggle side, I think the good side was easier to twist than the struggle side. So let's just see how we did. Yes? Okay, so I forgot to put the little rollers on my hair, so we're just gonna do it and see how it goes, okay? Okay, moment of truth. I have a piece from the struggle side and a piece from the good side. Let's see. Maybe the struggle side will be really nice. Ooh, curl definition though. I'm thinking it's gonna look good. Ooh, whoo. Hey, okay. Oh wow, okay. Wow. This looks really nice. Do you see this? Oh, wow. Okay, the ends look a little bit frizzy, but... And that was the struggle side. Ooh. Curl definition. Let's do the other side. Okay. I feel like the results are just as nice on the struggle side as on the good side. It is just as stretched, and depending on my technique, if I flat twist it right, the results would be the same. So this is good to know. If your curl former set is not fully dry, like mine was, this will still work. Okay, I'm gonna take out the rest. I am shook. I am shook. Ooh. So this is the reason why I love her. This is why I love you. Ooh, this is why I love you. Because I feel like you could do this method that she did and it could go wrong. Y'all saw the struggles and you still come out with bomb hair. Listen, for years I have watched this video and I was like, nah man, that's too much work. Ain't nobody got time for that. I'm not gonna do it. it's worth it though. It's not even a lot more work than what I would normally do with my blowout. So the hair as a whole is looking pretty right. Like, is that me? Is that me? I'm gonna teach y'all a Surinamese phrase. Milobeng. That means I love it. Okay? So say it with me. Mi lo beng. It's actually mi lo beng, but milobeng. Milobeng. I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts though, okay? Okay. Was following this Naptural85 tutorial successful? I'm gonna let you judge for yourself. But if you ask me, yes. Yes, it was. This is my hair, y'all. So all I can say, if you were thinking about following this tutorial and you're like, oh my goodness, it's a lot of work, I'm not gonna do it, I ain't even got curl formers. If you don't have curl formers, try finding the one on AliExpress, even though I love the original curl formers. And if you think it's a lot of work, yo, do it. It's worth it. You saw me struggle, and even with all of the struggle, all of it, we came out with this. So I would say try it. I'm so looking forward to doing this again, but with the Melanin Hair Care products. This was just, it wasn't a tutorial, it was just, I'm waiting for the Melanin Hair Care products though. I needed something to do while I'm waiting, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're gonna do this, let me know if you've already tried this hairstyle, or if you're gonna try it in the comments. Let me know if you ordered Melanin Hair Care, and if you're so lucky to already have your products, leave your thoughts in the comments. Did I say if you're lucky to have your comments, or did I say your products? Anyway, you know what I mean. If you already have your products, let me know what you think in the comment section. And also in the comments, let me know, how do you want me to test the Melanin Hair Care products? Which hairstyle would you like me to do? I'm definitely gonna test if these products are low porosity friendly, because she has high porosity hair. But what other claims would you like me to test? If it's buildable, like, what do you want me to test? I'm gonna test it. I cannot wait until I have my products. I'm so happy. I want to thank my mama for giving me this bomb hair. I want to thank all of the fans, all of y'all, who supported me, when I wanted to give up. Y'all told me, keep going, boo, keep going, boo. I love y'all. I love y'all. I'm out. I'm gonna put in the next video here. God, why you choose me for this life? Thank